At ISF, we empower young minds through STEM. And with Athenahealth by our side, we're making a bigger impact than ever. By establishing Robo Siksha Kendras, or STEM tinkering labs in Chennai, Pune and Bangalore, Athenahealth is providing students with new opportunities. Through hands-on learning, students are turning ideas into reality, creating innovations that solve real-world problems. With over 4,500 plus students touched, and 20 plus teachers trained across Chennai, Pune and Bangalore, the impact is undeniable. With Athenahealth's backing, our students are competing and progressing from virtual to regional competitions, showcasing their dedication and innovative project ideas, showcasing their skills at renowned competitions like WRO and beyond. Beyond the labs and the technology, the heart of this initiative lies in the people. Let's hear from the students and teachers who've experienced the program firsthand.
It was very good experience to see problem-solving approach. I really believe these kind of courses will really help them to grow their creativity.
It's our social and moral responsibility to the student to guide them in their future aspirations.
Many times you have done a lot of work on the project, but you struggle to kind of showcase them. So a mix of soft skill is also necessary.
I am very surprised and impressed by the enthusiasm of the children, and they were able to explain their projects very nicely.
Students are explaining code level, how the incremental and the decremental is happening. So it is nice to see a student at this age gaining this knowledge.
I really thank the ISF Foundation and Athenahealth for taking care of this from their side.
Athenahealth's support is enabling students to explore coding, electronics, and robotics, preparing them for the future of technology. Together, we're shaping the next generation of innovators and changemakers, empowering them to become the architects of a better, more technologically empowered tomorrow.